In this video, we will discuss the basics of the MySQL commands. So in order to open the MySQL window, you have to click the start button and type MySQL. So you'll get a window of the MySQL. So I want to change the font size and the layout. Just right click here, go to properties. So we have to enter the password that has been given at the time of the installation. So after successfully verification, a window prompt appears. So now we have to create a database now. So how to create a database? Using create command. So I create a new database DB7. So after creating the database, you have to use this database by making use of the use command. Use DB7. So after this, we can use show command. Show databases. So you can see that DB7 is created over here. Now how to create a table inside this particular database. So you have to create a table. So using create command, create table, table name. So what are the fields? The first field is name. The second field is salary. The third field is city. The fourth is designation. So I created 4 different fields. So just click after typing, just press enter. So a new table is created. How to see this table? We can see show tables command. So this will show the tables in the particular database. So after this, how to insert the rows into the table? How to insert the rows? By using the insert command. Insert into table values. The name of the table is employee, the values. So I write Suresh. So you can see this, the tuples are separated by each attribute is separated by column, and integer, this is of the type integer, therefore I am not enclosed in the braces. The remaining things has been enclosed in the braces. So after this, press enter. So a new row is inserted here. So after this, I want to insert one more row. So one more row is inserted over here. This is how 5 different tuples are inserted inside the table. Now I want to see the actual rows. How to do this? By using the select command. So select star indicates all the tuples to be displayed. So from employee, the name of the table is employee. So now what happens? All the records are displayed. Now I want to display only the records of the people working in Bangalore. So how to do this? Select star from employee where city is equal to Bangalore. Now what happens? Only the people working in the Bangalore are displayed. Now how to find the person who is drawing highest salary? So how to do this? By using the select command. Select now the name of the person, or you can say the details of the person, from employee where salary is equal to, inside again one more query you have to write, select max of salary from employee so you get the row that the person who is drawing highest salary is displayed. How to select the record who is drawing minimum salary? So using the min command. So you will get a row, the person who is drawing the lowest salary. Now how to delete the any tuple from the table? So use the delete command. Delete from the name of the table where you can say designation is clerk. So I want to delete all those records where the designation is clerk. So now what happens is the people who are clerks are deleted from the database. So you can see that the clerk is being deleted over this record. Now how to update? Now how to update the particular field? So you can say I want to update Suresh, the name Suresh, to some other name. So how to do this? By using the update command. Update employee set name is equal to new name where name is equal to actual name to be updated. So what happens? You can just check it over here. Select star from employee. Now you can see here instead of Suresh, it is updated to Mohan. So now how to use the order by command? So what is the purpose of order by command? Order by command is used to arrange the results in some particular order. Suppose I want to arrange the particular rows according to the city. So how to do this? By using the order by command. So just use select command, select star from employee so order by city. So now I can get the people who are working in Bangalore. After that I can get the people who are working in Mumbai in some particular order. So now I want to display the people, how many people are working in different cities. So how to do this? So by making use of this select command, select city, comma, count star will tell you the total number of, I want to display the count, how many people are working in different cities. So that is the purpose of the count star. So where designation, or you can say you can make use of a group by command. So group by city. So this will tell you the total number of people who are working in a different city. So select count star from employee, group by city. So this can be displayed the total number of rows, and people who are working in Bangalore 2 people, and 2 people who are working in Mumbai 2 people. So we can also use some logical operators such as less than and greater than. How to, now I want to display the people who are taking the salary between 80,000 and 70,000. So what are the people who are taking the salary between 80,000 and 70,000? So this can be used to display the some set of users who are drawing the salary between 70 to 80,000. So this is empty set. Now it is less than 80,000 and it is greater than 70,000. How to how to describe the table? I want to see the fields inside the table. So this is done by using the describe table. So describe table employee. So this will display the describe employee. So describe employee will display the fields inside the particular table. So this is what I discussed in this video. Thanks for watching.